Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete other users' account on Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in our system, and the first thing that we need to do in order for us to perform the deletion is simply click on your start menu right here, and from here go to your search bar and type in accounts right here. And as you can see, I'm not getting any research results right here and here. So once you have typed in accounts, you should have this search result right here. It says other users under settings. So you want to click on it. And then from here, you can already see the other users that you can delete, or you can change the account type in. So if you want to just change the account type, click on change account type, and then you can see it right here, administrator or standard user. You can go for it and click on OK once you're done. And in order for you to remove this account, click on the remove icon right here. So click remove and then click here on delete account and data. Once you have made sure that you would want to delete this account and you don't have any important files or whatsoever left in there that might be also deleted when you delete this account. So make sure you have a backup or anything like that, and click here on delete account and data. But in my case, I don't want to delete this. But if you really want to delete it, then you should click on the delete button. So that is basically it on how you can do it. So thank you for watching.